5 important facts and figures for young drivers to master. Despite the fact that members of Gen Z are slower to get their license than teens in the past, passing the driver's test is still very much a rite of passage. These days, 61% of 18-year-olds have a driver's license in the United States. It's hard to guarantee they'll know everything, but you can start by making sure they know these important facts about driving to make good decisions. You probably don't want to scare your teen out of learning to drive, but the fact is that teens are at much higher risk for car accidents than adults. According to the CDC, nearly 2,400 teens were killed in car accidents in 2019, and hundreds of thousands were injured. The upshot: make sure to lay ground rules about curfews, friends in the car, and cell phone use to help keep your teen safe behind the wheel. Make sure your teen knows exactly what to do if they are in a car accident. In addition to checking for injuries, they'll also need to move to the side of the road, call 911, and exchange insurance information with the other driver. Fortunately, enrolling in a driver's ed course can earn new drivers a discount of up to 10% on car insurance. Driver's ed is an affordable way to make the most of your insurance company's discounts. When the fuel light comes on, do you know how far you can go? With that information, you can calculate how far you can go based on your car's fuel efficiency. If they do run out of gas, make sure they know what steps to take. Knowing these facts, and their significance, should help your teen get ready for independent driving. Not sure if your teen ready for the road? Sign up for driver's education today.